Mommy Cupcake just hatched out some babies. Ducks. That's all I had for eggs was ducks. She's hatched them out. She's not. That one. I think he hatched yesterday morning. The rest have not. It is a ruin. Yeah, he's already drinking. Mommy Cupcake. I see there's an egg there and an eggshell, but she won't let me get it. She'll think I'm getting the babies. And there he is. And Liberty's trying to, I don't know what she's doing, her buddy. Uh-oh, there they go. She went there. Okay. Leave her alone. I think she hatched out 4. I think I see maybe 5. Hey! Get over here!